Since this is an event which is to come, the alliance with Rome, tonight Islamic scholarship speaks from Malaysia to explain to the Russian leaders and the Russian scholars, to explain to the Chinese leaders, the Chinese scholars, to explain to Greece, to explain to Eastern Europe, to explain to their priests what is Islam's conception of a world order, so that they would not be deceived by what comes from the University of CNN and what comes from the... They must be surprised about this hadith when Putin hears about it, the Russian leader. Because so many of the governments of the Muslim world, they dance to every tune that comes from Washington. And they proclaim the political parties that become ruling parties. And so tonight we want to go to the Quran to say to the Russian leaders and to Chinese leaders what the Quran has to say about those Muslims who are friends of NATO, who joined with NATO to take over Libya, so that Libya has now become a Zionist state, who have joined with NATO to take over Syria, so that Syria can also become a Zionist state. What does the Quran have to say about that? I think it would benefit Russia and China to listen to what the Quran has to say.